Now, you will probably know it is that time of year when coughs and colds are rampant and everybody appears to be getting ill. But there is growing concern about the rising number of flu cases across the UK.
Yeah, have a look at these numbers. In England, there were around 1,700 people in hospital being treated for flu last week.
That's the highest number of patients being treated for flu at this point in the year since records began 15 years ago. And in Scotland, the number of flu cases has jumped by 45% in a week. Health experts say the best way to protect yourself and others is to get the flu vaccine.
Some schools have been really badly affected by the wave of flu cases. We've heard that a school in Wales has temporarily closed following an outbreak, while others are taking measures to stop the spread of the virus, or at least try to.
Yeah, we're joined now by Simon Kidwell, head teacher at Harford Manor Primary in Cheshire, along with pharmacist Sanjeev Panesar. Morning, both.
Morning.
Good morning.
Simon, how much of a problem has it been at your school so far?
Yeah, we had an outbreak in late September, early October, which is sooner than we expected, and it caused quite a lot of staffing issues. So we managed to stay open, but it was with a skeleton staff, and we had quite a few children off and a spike in illnesses there. So it hit us early. We've now had the flu jab in school, so the children have had the nasal spray. So we're hoping to have a clear run now into the spring.
But it's a challenge, isn't it? Especially when maybe parents, brothers and sisters haven't had the nasal spray and it spreads so quickly.
Things spread, winter bugs spread really easily in schools, John, and we do know that we can do things to make sure that it's safer in schools, but we've seen schools close to us in Cheshire closed for 3 days, so it has been a real challenge this year.
Simon, we've heard of a school in Wales being closed because of a flu outbreak. What sort of communication are you having maybe with parents at the school at the moment about people getting vaccinated or trying to, keep that kind of like hand hygiene going that we remember from COVID? Do you have that type of conversation?
So over 90% of our children took up the nasal spray, which is excellent. We're really pleased with the number, and we are encouraging the teachers to keep ventilation windows open because we know that flu can spread in that way. Good hand hygiene is important at this time of year as well. And it's important that we encourage our staff as well to get those flu jabs because, interestingly, talking to Sanj this morning, pharmacists aren't eligible for it. Neither are school staff eligible for the vaccine without paying for it and going privately. So I will certainly next year be considering whether we can afford to see if all staff can be immunised against flu.
Because, teachers have got to be there with the kids. And at this time of year, you've got nativity plays, you've got Christmas concerts and parties. There's no getting away from those children, is there?
No. And schools are very good, very efficient spaces for spreading winter bugs and winter diseases. So I think that the government as well needs to think about that if we are going to reduce the spread of flu.